Hello and welcome to this edition of Daily Actives brought to you by Bootleg Macro. I am Dustin. We are looking at AMD and things are not that great. We can see that today we got the confirmation of the rolling four, which is the 1 month, the 15-day, the 5-day, and the 1-day all going negative together. I like to pay attention to when the 15-day because that is what the market pays attention to. You could have noticed that the 1-day, the 5-day, and the 15-day all went negative on the 16th of June at $120 and saved yourself $13 of pain. It has essentially given up the entire month of June and all of the gains that we've seen after that gap up. It has filled the gap, which is positive to see if you are a chartist like that. So this may be a place that you want to buy. And one thing I want to call out is that if you notice right here how you see that the price is white background with blue lettering, that actually means that it's at 3 standard deviations below the price. And this right here is actually showing that it is $12 below its 20-day moving average, which is actually quite extreme even for that, as well as you can see there that is 3 standard deviations below the mean. And it does look like that the volatility is starting to fall, which is kind of concerning to me. But at the same time, when volatility starts to fall, in my opinion, or at least here at the opinion at Bootleg Macro, we believe that that is when the trend starts to truly assert itself. So right now would be the beginning of where I'd want to buy actually in AMD. I think 107, this is probably the day to buy. I did not buy any of it. Wasn't paying attention to it at all. I'm going to go ahead and look over here just at the rolling sentiment, which we'll take a look at in the graph in a second. We can see it's been on a falling bear here, which I know that means nothing to you since the 5th of June. It has come from the the low 60s into, it's at 50% on the rolling 5-day, or on the rolling 2-day, which you can see here. You see how it's in the middle of the range now? It's actually almost completed the entire cycle of going bullish to bearish, which I love, and I will definitely be checking this out. Because what you want to see is when the price is falling, you want to see volume falling. But now that you see that the volatility here, the AMD correlation of price to volatility is starting to fall, and now what you have the correlation falling itself. That's the beginning of something moving up, but moving up very slowly. So I want to buy compressed bars here on AMD over the next week or so. Oh my God, it's right at the very bottom of this trade range. I'm very curious what you think because I think this is a great setup. But tell me in the comments below, are you long? Are you short? Do you like it? Do you love it? Is this even a good review? I'll talk to you soon.